Wait! If your lasagna tastes basic or falls apart, there's a creamy flavor bomb you're skipping. One secret ingredient flips this classic into something gourmet, and it's probably in your fridge right now. By the way, if you love lasagna, I've got 20 delicious foolproof recipes for you. Grab them for free at the link below. Here's what you'll need: lasagna noodles, mozzarella, parmesan, béchamel, a rich meat sauce, or veggie if that's your vibe. And here's where it gets wild: goat cheese. Yep, that creamy, tangy hit changes everything. But we're not stopping there. Start by simmering your sauce low and slow. Now layer pasta, sauce, goat cheese ricotta blend, mozzarella. Repeat. But here's what most people mess up. Don't skip this one prep step before baking, otherwise your layers mush city. I'll show you what to do next. By the way, if you love lasagna, I've got 20 delicious foolproof recipes for you. Grab them for free at the link below. Let's fix the biggest lasagna fails. Cheese puddles instead of stretches? You overdid the sauce? Dry lasagna? Your ricotta mix needs help. Sliding layers? You didn't let it rest. Don't worry, this next part solves it all. Here's the secret. Fold a spoonful of heavy cream into your goat cheese ricotta mix. Boom, ultra creamy, never dry. And always let it rest before slicing. Now you've seen the goat cheese magic, but you still don't have the full recipe. Want to make it tonight? Grab the full step-by-step plus 20 exclusive lasagna recipes totally free. Click the link below, pinned comment, or in the description.